Thank you for joining us on the UMKC Assessment YouTube channel for this Weave tutorial. In this session, you will learn the benefits of creating action plans that can be stored in the Weave online system to better accommodate your department's ongoing assessment process. To begin, after logging into the Weave online website, move the computer prompt right to the Assessment pull-down menu, then choose Action Plan Tracking. By this point in the Weave online process, all goals and student learning outcomes have been established for the program or unit. Measures have been carefully planned and executed, producing targeted findings that demonstrate the work achieved, maintained, or still progressing as the current year's assessment cycle comes to a close. Now comes the most important and often overlooked part of the assessment process, closing the assessment loop. How will you use the assessment data that you have analyzed? What are some improvements to make? What changes will you make to the expectations placed for student learning outcomes? This is where the benefit of longitudinal assessment comes into play. Each year that students perform better, action plans become a little bolder. To create an action plan, begin by clicking on the Add New button. Editing previous action plans is achieved by clicking on the Details button. The Notes button is useful when recording progress on a given project during the year. After clicking on the Details button shown above, the project description, implementation status, and priority are recorded. This makes the expectations for current and future measurement clear to those in the department or unit. Notice the Relationships tab that pulls together the measure and the outcome. It's also important to note that these plans can be kept active as long as necessary to reach the desired expectations. Good action plans have a completion date, preferably within the next academic cycle. At the beginning of each cycle, a new action plan can be established. This concludes our tutorial on closing the loop using action plans.